Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best video doorbells that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Arlo Video Doorbell. Make your home a smart home with Arlo's wired ring doorbell with camera. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree view. Get a clearer picture with detailed HD with HDR video, ensuring you can see even in low light or bright conditions. Connects directly to Wi-Fi without the clutter of extra gear, which makes one of the perfect new home essential items. The Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell is weather-resistant and delivers fast and easy installation to get the perfect camera view, year-round. Know who's there, even in the dark with night vision. Never miss a moment with the smart door sensor to see what triggered a motion event before it happened. Moving on at number 4, we have Eufy Security Video Doorbell. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K has a lot of included features that most other companies charge for, including enough internal memory to store up to 30 days worth of video and the ability to distinguish between people and other motion, such as from birds or swaying branches. The wired Eufy doesn't have as wide a viewing angle as the Arlo, but it creates clear recordings for up to 5 minutes. It stores those clips in its 4 GB of built-in memory or Eufy's cloud service, which offers 30 days of history for $3 per month per camera, or $30 per year per camera. Although this Eufy model draws power from your existing doorbell wires, it doesn't work with your existing chime. But it does come with its own wireless plug-in chime, so that isn't really a problem. At number 3, we have Ring Video Doorbell Wired. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is the solid sub-$100 doorbell camera they've been waiting for. It's smaller than most Ring doorbells, and cheaper, too. It captures clear 1080p images, and it delivers accurate motion and person alerts. However, it needs to be hardwired. It works only with Amazon Alexa, and it doesn't offer detailed alerts or local storage, as some of our other picks do. And even though it's inexpensive, it requires a Ring Protect basic plan to record motion events. Advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your front door before they ring your doorbell. Hardwire Video Doorbell wired using your existing doorbell wiring and the included toolkit for around-the-clock power and peace of mind. At number 2, we have Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell is the best option for a cheap doorbell with no ongoing fees. And while it works as a wired doorbell, it's also one of the best options for a battery-powered buzzer, as it can go up to 2 years on 2 AAs. The Blink lacks a lot of bells and whistles, no smart alerts or quick replies, only 1080p video, and a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. But the basics are here: motion-activated recording, with a max of 30 seconds, alerts, live view, night vision, motion zones, and two-way audio. If you want to pay $50, often less, to have a camera at your door and be done with it, get the Blink. The biggest selling point for Blink is the feature that makes its similarly inexpensive security cameras so attractive: up to 2 years of battery life on 2Ah lithium batteries. And finally at number 1, Ring Video Doorbell 4. The Ring 4 uses the excellent Ring app, and you can turn on snapshot mode to automatically take a picture every hour, 14 minutes, or 5 minutes for a better idea of what's been happening at your door. You need a Ring Protect plan for this and to enable people-only mode, which cuts down on unnecessary alerts. A subscription plan starts at $3.99 a month and adds 180 days of cloud storage for videos, plus useful rich notifications that show a snapshot of the video on your lock screen. This is helpful as the Ring 4 can take a while to bring up a live view, a problem with most battery-powered doorbells. Free quick replies, which can be set to play automatically, are also handy. It won't work with your existing chime unless you wire it, but Ring sells a plug-in chime,